Fired up with fuel down the carburetor. Got the starter back on there. Works good. So we're about to find out what's up in here. Yeah. Might have had stabilizer in it. Alright. Shoot. Some new gas down in there. She might fire over. Bit of fresh gas. Shoot. Alright. Let's take them off, I guess. Let's see. Let's see what we get behind door number 3. A little bit dirty. Ain't so bad in there. Nothing a little bit of gas can't work through. Those, I'm gonna put some stink on them real quick. The worst. Yeah. Let me throw some carb cleaner up on that. Shoot, that's going right back together. Heck yeah. All right. Got the carb back on. What do y'all want? Temporary ultra low capacity fuel reservoir. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. Fill the bowl, and then that fills that hose is full. Let's see what happens. That carb looked pretty good. Let's see what happens. I gotta use both my hands to hold these. Hold the ground tight. Fire it off with that right there. Let's see if you'll crank. Yeah, it's gonna fall, but whatever. Oh yeah. And I have this kill switch ready. I jumped from the black cord. Kills the spark if you ground that out. Ground the black one out. Which I plan on doing, I guess, right there on the block if I need to. Fired up. Oh yeah, choke. How am I gonna choke it? That's just might need gonna choke. Might gonna need choke. Which one's choke? Oh yeah, I took the throttle off. Where's the throttle? Where is the throttle? Oh, right here. Let's go full throttle. Alright, we got full throttle. Start. Doing. Start choke all the way. Alright, let's see what we get. Just give her a little fuel in the carburetor. Oh yeah. She fired up. She was choking out. I know that carburetor on this one will bolt right up to it. Pretty sure it'll run 23 horse. And I know that carb's good. So next step will be to do that. Might need to thoroughly clean the other one. Mom been up in here cooking some supper. We got some chicken livers, mac and cheese, and some fresh collard greens from Carter's Greens in Lake Park, Georgia. I think I might know those people. Good old supper, babe. You're the bomb.
I don't think